This is the third episode. Welcome. Deck is done. I did replace this door. Good news, it's pretty strong glass. My dog only ran into it head first twice. Pretty strong. Here's a little bit of a recap of where we left off on episode 1 and 2. Enjoy the video. Alright, that's far enough. You get the idea. I took the deck apart, piled it up, dug it out, used a vacuum, dug out a little pad for the stairs, rented a mixer, waited until midnight for it to set up, stamped it, power washed it. Now you're caught up. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna set these post bases here. Just gonna put it in there a little loose. May have to adjust it a little bit. How awesome is that though? To go from post in the dirt to 5 feet sonotubes in the ground and a concrete pad for the stairs to rest on. Ready?
It's heavy.
Alright, watch where you step in. Alright, so we're gonna slide it underneath the black flashing. There you go.
Oh, no.
Level that way. That's nice. Alright. 15 and a half. Let's see how different these heights are gonna be. No way. That other one was 15 and a half, and this one is 15 and 11/16. Let me check this one again. That is really good. No, I guess this one is 15 11/16 too. Incredible. 15 and 11/16. Alright. So I can go right. I got 5 and a half right here. Mark. And then I want 1.5 inches cut out of that section, so I can go, that's 1 inch, right there's half. I'll put my marker right in this little notch, it lines up with the half. Line up with my other line. So you can know, some people, put an X there, that's the section you're cutting out. Like if you had a cut guy or something and you made a measurement or scribe and then you pass it to, you want to make sure they cut out the right section. The 1.5 inches, the reason I'm cutting that out is this is the thickness of this material. And then this is the depth of this material. It's 5.5 inches because it's a 2x6. And so that's going to get cut out. This will get notched like that. So this piece here will just go right in there. It makes it a lot stronger. So let's cut that. And now I'm actually going to cut that over here in the shade, because I can't cut down through this material into the ground or anything, so it's okay to be on the ground cutting with it. So for this cut here, the 1.5 inch thickness, I can actually adjust this. So if you've ever noticed, these saws have markings here, so there's 1.5 inches. So I'm going to loosen that. You see that little arrow there? I can slide it until I get 1.5 inches, lock it in. Now I know when I make this cut, this blade will only go down 1.5 inches. Another trick, put a square here. Now I know that cut nice and straight, square with the wood. Now I'm going to cut as deep as I can, because I'm cutting this way, and the deepest this saw goes is 2.5 inches, and this is obviously like probably 3.5. Don't want to go too far past, but you know, a little bit, just because that round blade is not going to cut all the way through. You could always notch it with a Sawzall if you didn't want to cut that far. There you go. Got yourself a notch. Okay, we're all looking good there and there. Let's get those nails. So I threw some zip tape on that just to keep the top of the joist preserved. Now I'm going to get some of this dirt and I'm going to mist this a little bit and then I'm going to antique it. Good morning. I got all that junk out of here. I'm gonna fill the dumpster up and call to get that removed. I'm gonna seal this little pad. Looking a lot better since I antiqued it twice. Got this. Not doing anything fancy here. I'm just gonna brush it on, dump it, and brush it. All right, that looks good. Okay, different day. Now, I can build these stairs. I have family coming in like an hour or two, and then I could get these stairs framed out before they get here. All right, so this is just gonna be my cutout. Just from another staircase I did. Pretty much the same. So I'm gonna use this other scrap piece to run along my board. Actually, I think it's just gonna be 1, 2. So I can eliminate this one. Cut that out. Cut that out. Doing little tiny staircase like that is so weird for me, but that's it. I guess that camera died. But I got 4 stringers cut out. I think I'm gonna cut more. Nice. I felt the tip just on the edge of it, so I moved it over just slightly. Finished product and the new door. I might swap out that bottom one. You guys let me know if that looks dumb. I'm mostly concerned about it getting stained with grass. I also got to place that little board right there. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one.